Welcome to Tech Research. How to get ChatGPT Plus subscription absolutely free. Last 6 to 7 months, I continuously use this subscription using one of the tips and tricks. And how many days we are receiving this subscription? Like 1 month, 2 month, or 12 month, we will see in this video. So let's start on my Mac screen. I just simply open here ChatGPT, and this is my ChatGPT account. One of the important point here, if you want to use the ChatGPT subscription, so definitely everyone have multiple Gmail addresses, so you can create each and every Gmail address of ChatGPT account. So definitely you can receive this offer all of your ChatGPT accounts or different email address. So this is the one of my Gmail address, and look at this here. Here the research rocks, the account name is research rocks, and here the top of the screen free offer is showing. If I click here, boom, try plus free for 1 month. I have 1 month subscription option. Last continuously 12 months I'm using every month one month subscription for different ChatGPT accounts. So using this process, you can get this subscription offers of different ChatGPT accounts. So how to get this one? It's very easy. Claim this one. Getting clear path of trying to Studio Lite. Next thing, look at this here. You need to pay here payment plus subscription. So cancel anytime. Remind before you trial ends. Today we need to pay here 0 krona. So how you can payment here? You can payment the via Google Pay as well, credit card, debit card. You should apply here. I use here in my Google Pay. Click here the Google Pay. I just simply use my iPhone here to scanning this QR code. So look at this here, my iPhone screen. We need to pay this money. Not pay, just provide the authentication. The processing is going on and process is done. Look at this here, the screen, and my subscription is almost complete. So your subscription is done. Today is the 24th of July. If I click here, account is now plus. If I click here in the upgrade section, so look at this here, 24th of August is my last date of the subscription. Afterwards I need to pay 179 Danish krona. Meanwhile I can cancel this one if I don't want to use this subscription and avoid the money, but continuously I'm using around 23rd of August, and afterwards I can cancel this one, and the same process I apply in different ChatGPT account as well. Using this process you can very easily get ChatGPT subscription absolutely free for 1 month in one ChatGPT account. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.